Hello guys, welcome back to the DomainRacer, and this is Ashok from DomainRacer. And today we are going to discuss an extremely important topic. Up till now we had completed two parts. First one is installation and second one configuration and basic settings and understanding about CyberPanel. Now we are moving towards creating a user, packages and setting a domain. Now we will start further. For that, very first we need a package. Without package we cannot able to create a domain or an account for a domain. Now we will click on package section and click on create package. To understand in depth what the meaning of package is, you can able to check here. This is a DomainRacer web hosting packages. So in this case there are 4 packages. In that package you can able to see that 1 GB RAM, 1 website, 110 email IDs, 5 GB bandwidth. So these are the all settings that we can able to set here to create a package. So in this case we will use a package name. So I'm giving a package name as dr. Dr means DomainRacer and admin@dr. So it is a package name. If you put here 0 means unlimited domains, but here I am trying to create this plan package personal plan. So in this case I will put enter 1. Disk space I wanted to give a 0. 0 means unlimited. Bandwidth I wanted to give unlimited. Email IDs, or you can say email IDs, you can able to give like as your wish. So in this case I will give 99 and database is 99 and the FTP account 99. Okay, if you are putting any disk limitations, in this case you can able to tick mark this to avoid extra or over usage of the data. But here it is not necessary, but still if you wanted to force user to limit a data, so you can able to click on this option and make sure that we are creating this package for ourselves. So it is not necessary to put some limitation because we are using a VPS to use the maximum resources for our website, like e-commerce website or any heavy traffic website. Click on create package. You can see that DR package has been created successfully. Now we will move towards creating a user. Okay, to create a user you have to click on create new user and enter these details. So here it will ask for the user level permission. So in this case we are using for the one single website. So in this case we can able to click on user. Okay, and website limit is 0 means unlimited. Username I will put here a demo, and the password for the demonstration I will enter here a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and security level high low you can able to put high. You can able to see that the user demo has been created successfully. Now it is time to create a website. Click on websites and click on create. Okay, here we can able to choose a package. So in this case we are using a DR package and the owner demo and the website name. For the demonstration of this video series we are using a domain called as a DomainRacer.review. Email ID and it will allow you to select a PHP version, and this is the best part for the CyberPanel. Okay, and here you need to click on this all 4 options. Okay, the third one will protect from getting the other users access. So it will protect your directory, so one user cannot able to access other user data. And click on create a website. It start creating a website. Configuration. Okay, congratulations, we have successfully created our website. We will check whether our account has been created successfully or not. Copy this URL, open incognito mode and open this. Enter the username demo and the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here we go. We had created a very first user with a hosting. Now in the next video we will show you how you can able to connect a domain to a server.